Hello everybody. I wanted to wish you all a very blessed and belated Samhain. I am sorry about that. I haven't been doing any videos on this channel or my art channel. I am trying to stalwartly keep up with the daily Blue Dawn Tarot daily messages that I've been putting out, and the Blue Dawn channel link will be in the description box below. It's free every day. I'm putting out a mini reading. And it's been the weirdest Halloween I've ever experienced in my life. It's been the weirdest year, the weirdest Halloween. All the different holidays down the year, and coming up 2 more holidays through the year. It's just weird, weirdest. It's been so odd. When I do readings, the one thing I find consistently now is that delays are huge. Delay. Small delays, big delays. Doesn't matter, just delays. I swear that the vast majority of the world has minor PTSD. It's the energy, the feeling of the energy is not the same. Doing any kind of empath work is just a bigger struggle. And now we've just today ended the Mercury retrograde, the last one for this year, thank God. And we're still in a Mars retrograde until the 13th. And there's been some celestial stuff, some full moons, some different things that have just been picking at humankind. Just let's pick at the humans for a while. We haven't done that for a while. It'll be fun, you know. And then the meme that talks about 10 years worth of human history and the angel that's supposed to be giving us that or placing it misheard and places it all in 1 year, 2020. So it's been weird. I don't even have words to describe how odd this has been. I don't. I hope you all did something interesting or fun, or no matter how little or big, you did something to mark your new year. And I wish you all an incredibly happy new year. I like where the pagan year starts. I love that. It's a wonderful start at a time in at least the northern hemisphere that leaves are dying and things like that. So it's a wonderful time to start a new path, you know. Let's see, what else? Oh, I am going to be, I keep trying, I do. I am going to be doing Book of Shadows pages in both here and the art channel. Like online, I'll be doing them. Yeah, I think it takes a certain amount of subscribers to go live. I'm not sure. And I'll be doing that, and I'll be doing some crafts. I'm going to be doing some herbal mixes for the winter months to dispel certain things that can drag us and make us feel tired in the winter months. So I'll be doing that coming up. And I'll be talking about Book of Shadows entries, because I get a lot of questions from, I guess, new pagans or new witches or whatever on, you know, what am I supposed to actually do in my Book of Shadows? And, you know, I could say pretty much everything, but to make it special or sacred in some way, I'll be talking about those things, those ways of doing things. That'll be a video coming up shortly as well. So I thank you for hanging out and waiting for me to get my butt on here and do a video. I hope that you have an incredible day, week, month, the rest of the year. I don't even know what to say, folks. It's just been so strange. And now they're talking about more lockdowns and stuff. So I don't know what to think. I do know that I do a blessing every morning with my morning coffee that involves burning a bit of green tea and a bit of cinnamon as dried. They both have a wonderful effect on invaders. Let's just call it that. So if you have anything coming through that's going to invade you or your family, that helps to protect. You. Green tea leaves and a little touch of cinnamon. Cinnamon's an amazing protector. So those videos are coming up. I am sorry it's taken so long. I'm really going to try to do many more videos on this channel because I love this channel. I love anything to do with pagan lifestyle. So yeah, I'm gonna get on that. I'm gonna get on that. I really am going to try. So I'll put the Blue Dawn free daily messages link in the description box below, and I'll put the art channel in the description box below, and Blue Dawn also has a blog that I'm making sure to do planetary announcements and things in, and so check them out. Make sure you subscribe to the Blue Dawn channel to get daily tarot messages, and I add romance glance to that for those that are looking for romance or involved in romance, and they're all free. So join in, grab the subscription, and that way then you'll get them every day. And I will see you on the next video. Take care. Blessed be.